my channel. Today's video we have a neon sign. So this sign was custom made for me with my channel name. It's a very, very well priced item for a custom neon sign. You could get neon signs for under $50, normal neon signs. Custom ones are more expensive, but this one is more cheaper than most competition out there. It's like around $100, including shipping, which is insane since you'll see the quality on it. Let's get into it. Look at that. That is so nice. So even when you don't have it on, it's displayed really, really well. Like, that's so nice, bro. Not even kidding. I'm genuinely happy about this. So I obviously was able to give them a little sketch out of how I wanted it. I sent them my logo. They told me that, and then you could either pick a acrylic clear back or you could color it, and I did the black acrylic, which is really, really good. It does have a peel off on the back too. Take this off real quick. And then look at this. You got a clear control switch, I guess you could say. Really, really nice. Let's go ahead and plug this into power. I know exactly where I'm gonna put this, and it just happens to have an outlet right there too. So I believe you can pick one that has like RGB control functions and RGB IC, so you can have like a remote. They have USB powered one. They have drop shipping available on their website as well. They have a ton of things available. So I highly recommend you guys check this company out. I think they're fairly new. 3, 2, 1. That is too clean. It would have been pretty cool to see this illuminate, but the amount of quality in here is just amazing. This is exactly how my logo is made too. You can check out my channel, and it's really bright. I'm gonna go and turn off the lights real quick. This is the backing, so you can see the LED strips. And then you can also ask for mounting holes. You need it. I went with mounting holes since I need them. All right, now we're gonna show you what it looks like with all the lights off. I'll show you in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that looks way better. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see that in camera, if it's overexposed or whatever. The beads, you can't see them. It's really well diffused. It's very, very bright. The white is super bright, and it's like it's a real white. It's not a fake white. As well as the red, it's a really nice deep red. Really, really good. This is high quality for sure. The acrylic is nice as well. I don't know what this thing is made of. It's not a sticker for sure. Yeah, it's not a sticker. Yep, definitely not a sticker. So I think it's like printed on here or something. So that's really, really nice. They made this thing like within 2 weeks. That's extremely fast. And they sent it out. They handcrafted it, sent it out, and did the whole process within 2 weeks. That's insanely good. So this is a different neon sign. You can see the brightness quality as well as the beads. So you have red and white. So as you can see, the white isn't as good. The red isn't that good. It's way brighter on these ones. So good. Then again, the neon sign that I just showed you was a USB powered one, but this one, I personally love it, and it's definitely good. So if you wanted something for your brand or your company to represent it, hit this company up, 1000%. You can make any custom neon sign as you want. Pretty sure you can make custom shapes as well. Not too sure, you might have to ask them on that. They can do so much. I'm so surprised on how much they're able and capable to do, and they made the font the exact way I wanted it. It's how it is as well. I thought they weren't able to like make it with the font, because I thought it was just going to be a normal just Tech Reviews TV with the plain font. But no, they went with the actual font that I have on my channel, which is cool. I'm just going to go ahead and set this up and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I just got it set up here. As you can see, it looks really, really good. So that's the individual letters. I love it. Looks really good. So even when it's off, it's very visible. You can still see the text and font from very far away. The only thing is right now I have fingerprints on it, but you can't really see it that well. Yeah, you have some. I'm gonna have to wipe it down, but other than that, it's not a big deal breaker. I could just wipe it down and really cool. I did use some screws right there. It looks better in my opinion with screws. I was gonna do push pins or something like that, but opted for screws instead. But yeah, build quality is amazing. This is the thickness of it, by the way. The lettering from angles, as you can see. So the white is very bright. It's a little overpowering for the red. I wish it was a little dimmer, but I mean, it's bright. It's bright. And it's real white as well. So as you can see, that's what it looks like from the side view. It does illuminate the entire lettering from all angles, which I do like. So there's not a single piece of LED missing, which is really cool. So yeah, I love this LED sign, worth $100 that you can get it on Alibaba or whatever. Links are in the description for the contact and everything like that. They'll 100% make it so you get the top quality products and make it however you want. They'll sketch it out for you and make sure that it's good enough for you before they start making it. And it looks really good. I'm loving the red. The only thing I really wish they had is a control for the brightness, or yeah, just the brightness. I'm pretty sure you could have ordered something like that, but I didn't even specify. I didn't even think for it to come up to mind, but I mean, it looks good. Very, very good. That's what it looks like. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, links in the description. Just for comparison, I'm going to show you my other sign. So as you can see, the red isn't the best, the white isn't the best compared to this. This is real red, real white. This is real white, real red, but it's not as bright. It's not as bright, and it's obviously not as good. So yeah, that's that.